Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called SurveySavvy, and maybe you're wondering, can you really make money just by speaking your mind and filling out some surveys? Let's check it out, right? Let's find out if SurveySavvy is legit or not. At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home online, just click the link right at the bottom, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of make money online strategies. Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, are big wastes of time. So let's check out SurveySavvy to find out whether this is a waste of time or maybe this is a good way to make money online, okay? Now, SurveySavvy has been around since 1999, so it's been around for a few years now, and it's a 100% legitimate survey website. They're a research company, and they work with a lot of companies and clients around the world to find out more data on people just generally so that they can help their clients to generate more income, right? So to do that, they can offer you surveys, you can fill them out, and you can make money that way. So it's very easy. You can just sign up here from pretty much anywhere in the world. And after you sign up, you're going to get access to your back office that looks like this, right? And it's very important to go to your profile, okay? Go to your profile right there, and then you can, take your time and fill out basically a whole bunch of questions about you, because they need to understand your background in order for them to serve you more surveys. Now, once you've done that, what will happen is over time, you will get some survey opportunities here, behavioral research opportunities and survey opportunities, okay? Now, every single survey with SurveySavvy will pay between 50 cents and $2, and it'll take between 15 minutes to 30 minutes to fill out the survey. Now, the big thing with SurveySavvy, unfortunately, is it's not like other survey websites where they have a lot more surveys. With them, they don't really have that many surveys, all right? So once you fill out your profile, you might get one survey a week, you might get a couple of surveys a week, you might not get a survey for a long time. Sometimes you don't get surveys for weeks, sometimes even months. It just really depends on your demographic and their client base and supply and demand at that particular time, which is unfortunate because SurveySavvy is one of those survey websites that really doesn't have that many surveys, okay? So, even though you can make a little bit of money here, you're not really going to make that much, unfortunately, right? Now, the thing as well with SurveySavvy is they only pay out through check. Okay, so with a lot of other survey websites, you can withdraw money through PayPal, a prepaid Visa card, even a lot of different gift cards. With them, though, they're super old school, so they only send checks directly to your home address. But the nice thing is the threshold isn't very high. It's only $1. So basically, if you fill out a couple of surveys, then you'll be able to already get a check from them. But don't expect a big check, because look, if you're only filling out one survey a month or one survey a week, if you're even lucky, then you're getting maybe $1 or $2, maybe $4 a month. Okay, so it's really not going to break the bank. This is not something where you're going to make a ton of money. In fact, it's definitely one of the not lower paying survey websites. It's just that they just don't have that many survey opportunities. So there are a lot of other survey websites where you can fill out at least a few surveys a day. These guys, it's more like one survey a week, if even. All right, so if you want to check it out, SurveySavvy.com. If you're located in a large English speaking country, you will definitely have more access to surveys, like the US, Canada, Australia, Western Europe as well. If you're located in other parts of the world, you may not get as many survey opportunities. So what I recommend is definitely check out some other survey websites as well. I've reviewed a lot on my channel, which you can check out as well if you want to fill out surveys. Again, filling out surveys isn't the best way to make money. Even with some of the best survey websites out there, you're only looking at about maybe $50 to $100 a month if you're lucky, right? Filling out surveys. It's not really designed to make you a lot of money. It's just a little bit of bonus income. Unfortunately, SurveySavvy, probably I would say I would rank it very low just because of the availability of surveys that you can fill out. So I don't really recommend this one too much, but you can check it out if you're in the right countries, just to add it to your portfolio of survey companies that you're checking out. So SurveySavvy.com, you can check out if you would like, okay? Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to make more money online. Now, remember, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of strategies. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, but out of all the good strategies, there is one strategy that I use 100% online to quit my full-time job in 2019. I used it to 5 times my old corporate salary. It changed my life, basically, right? And I think it's great for any beginner that wants to make money online. If you want to check it out, I teach it for free. There's a free masterclass right at the bottom at the link right there. You can check it out if you want, all right? Wish you all the best. Hope that you enjoyed this review with SurveySavvy, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.